Welcome back to Jason Green's Fight for Justice. In Alabama small-town justice, we uncovered how a man was convicted of a crime he wasn't even charged with, a shifting theory, a silenced defense, a verdict that defied the law. But that was just the beginning. Now we follow the case as it climbs Alabama's court system, and what we find is even more disturbing. This isn't a story of honest mistakes. It's a system that sees the errors and chooses to ignore them. Welcome to Due Process Denied, the Appeal Files. Part 1, where justice wasn't just delayed, it was denied. After the trial, the evidence was in. The theory had shifted, the indictment had not. And the record was broken wide open. So Jason filed a Rule 32 petition, Alabama's post-conviction process for those denied a fair trial. But what happened next wasn't justice, it was a formality, a shutdown, a shrug. Jason raised real constitutional violations, jury instructions that didn't match the indictment, recklessness introduced without evidence, and a conviction for a theory that had never even seen a courtroom until the trial was over. But the circuit court didn't examine that part of the record. It didn't hear from witnesses. It didn't even hear the state's explanation. It denied the petition using vague language, procedural default, and silence. No findings of fact, no honest review, just a rubber stamp over a miscarriage of justice. Jason's Rule 32 attorney never subpoenaed trial counsel, never forced answers under oath. So the claim of ineffective assistance? It died on a technicality, not the truth. In Alabama, if your lawyer fails and your appeal lawyer fails and the court refuses to look, there is no justice. There's just process. This is the first layer of silence in the appeal files, but we're peeling it back, one injustice at a time. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and comment. Visit the website thishappenedinalabama.com.